How to generate a new variable in SPSS. For this purpose, go to transform, compute variable, and in target variable you will write here total midterm marks. And in the target variable you have the total midterm marks 1, total midterm marks 2, marks in midterm exam 3, marks in midterm exam 4, and marks in midterm exam 5. So first you will select your target variable, and with the help of arrow button it will go to the numeric expression. Then you will add the sign plus and again repeat the same procedure. Marks in midterm 2 plus marks in midterm 3 plus marks in midterm 4 plus marks in midterm 5 and click button OK and get output. Now you can view your output. Compute total midterm marks. It has computed midterm 1 plus midterm 2, 3, 4, 5. Command has been executed. Now you can visit your data view, and in this way you have generated a new variable in SPSS. So this is all about how we can generate a new variable in SPSS.